Hi, hello, this is Anup here, and in this video we are going to see how to install Windows 10 SDK. So Windows 10 SDK is very useful for many scenarios. There are some interesting tools inside Windows 10 SDK which would be useful for your IT pro troubleshooting and some other stuff. I have already downloaded the full version of Windows 10 SDK and I'm going to install it now. As you can see, it needs around 3 GB of free space. These are the tools included in Windows 10 SDK. Windows Performance Toolkit is there, debugging tools for Windows, application verifier for Windows, .NET and app certification kit and IP over USB kit, MSI tools. I'm going to install all of them. So let's see how the installation is going. So it's installing all the applications which I have shown you in the previous screen, something like toolkits, some toolkits and .NET framework, installing Windows app certification kit. So it completed 41%. Let's wait. So as you can see, this is a website from where you can download a Windows 10 SDK. As it shows in over here, it is for 1809 version. It is for 1809 version. You can see the details. So basically this is the ISO file. You can download it from here. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. You can see the supported operating systems. Windows 7, Server 2012, all are supported, and hardware requirements are also mentioned over here. 1 GB of minimum RAM and 4 GB of hard disk space. So this is straightforward, and it details about all the tools which is available within this SDK, MC tool and CPP, WinRT2 and the other stuff, MSIX support via state dump. I would recommend to read this documentation before installing it. So the installation is still going on. Let's wait for a couple of minutes more. So we are back and Windows 10 SDK got installed successfully. Okay, so as you can see, I have already launched a performance recorder, which is one of the tools available in the SDK. I have already launched Windows Performance Recorder. That is one of the tool available. So there are a lot of other tools actually available similar to this. If I go to bin, you can see that. Go to the latest version of the folder, the latest folder 64. If I launch this, so this is kind of a UI automation event tool. There are another tools like this in this. If I can search with .exe, can find the other tools over here. Make PRI. These are the kind of tools available. Let me try this. Okay, I don't even know what is this tool is. That's very interesting. So these are the tools available. Okay, so this is one of the tool I'm going to use, SignTool.EXE. This is kind of interesting tool. I don't know what is this. Let me try. So trace view, DeviceMetadataWizard. So there are a lot of interesting tools. Overview. I have no clue what are these tools. It's interesting. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please click on like button and share the videos. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.